How to turn off notification setting in darkest days. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to turn off the notification setting in darkest days, then first of all, go ahead and launch open the darkest days game on your device. Once you do that, the first thing you can do is to go to the top right section and tap on the tablet icon. And then from the menu that appears on the screen, click on the gear button from the bottom. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on account from the top. Inside account, go ahead and look for this event notification option and tap on off. Now click OK, and this will take you to your device's notification tab where you need to toggle off the switch right next to show notification, and you can get back to the app. And that's how you turn off notifications in darkest days. So that's how you reduce or turn off notification, enjoy a quieter gaming session with fewer interruptions, and get back to surviving the apocalypse. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.